Another day, another story. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about wormhole time travel. Wormholes are theoretical tunnels through spacetime that could allow us to travel to different points in time and space. They're one of the most fascinating and intriguing concepts in physics, and they've been the subject of speculation and debate for decades. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete overview of wormhole time travel. I'll explain what wormholes are, how they work, and whether or not they're actually possible. I'll also discuss the potential implications of wormhole time travel, both good and bad. So if you're interested in learning more about this amazing phenomenon, then stick around. This is going to be a wild ride. What are wormholes? Wormholes are theoretical tunnels through spacetime that could connect two different points in space or time. They're often depicted as being shaped like a bagel, with two mouths connected by a long, narrow throat. The idea of wormholes was first proposed by Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen in 1935. They showed that wormholes could exist as solutions to the equations of general relativity. However, they also showed that these wormholes would be unstable and would quickly collapse. In the 1980s, Kip Thorne showed that it might be possible to stabilize wormholes using negative mass. Negative mass is a hypothetical form of matter that has a gravity that is repulsive rather than attractive. If negative mass could be found, then it might be possible to create wormholes that could be used for travel through spacetime. How do wormholes work? The exact mechanism by which wormholes work is still not fully understood. However, it is thought that they may be formed by the collapse of massive stars. When a star collapses, it creates a black hole. However, if the collapse is not perfectly symmetrical, then it may be possible for a wormhole to form instead. Wormholes could also be created artificially. If we could find a way to create negative mass, then we could use it to stabilize a wormhole and make it traversable. Can we use wormholes to travel through time? Theoretically, yes, we could use wormholes to travel through time. However, there are a few problems that would need to be solved before this could happen. First, we would need to find a wormhole. This is not an easy task, as wormholes are thought to be very rare. Second, we would need to find a way to stabilize the wormhole. Wormholes are very unstable, and they would collapse if we tried to travel through them. Third, we would need to find a way to control the wormhole. We would need to be able to open and close the wormhole, and we would need to be able to control where it leads. Are wormholes possible? The existence of wormholes is still a matter of debate. There is no direct evidence that they exist, but there is also no evidence that they don't exist. Some physicists believe that wormholes are possible, while others believe that they are not. The main problem with wormholes is that they would require negative mass. Negative mass is a hypothetical form of matter that has not been observed in nature. However, some physicists believe that negative mass may exist in the universe, and that it may be possible to create it artificially. The potential implications of wormhole time travel. The potential implications of wormhole time travel are vast and profound. If it were possible to travel through wormholes, then we would be able to travel to different points in space and time. This would open up a whole new world of possibilities, both good and bad. On the one hand, wormhole time travel could be used for exploration. We could travel to distant stars and galaxies, or even to other universes. We could also use wormholes to travel back in time and change the course of history. On the other hand, wormhole time travel could also be used for destructive purposes. We could travel back in time and kill historical figures, or we could even travel to the future and bring back weapons of mass destruction. The potential implications of wormhole time travel are so vast that it's hard to say for sure what would happen if it were possible. However, one thing is for sure: it would change the world forever. Conclusion. Wormhole time travel is a fascinating and intriguing concept. It's one of the most promising and exciting possibilities in physics, and it has the potential to change the world forever. However, it's also a concept that comes with a great deal of risk. If wormhole time travel were to become possible, it would be important to use it responsibly and ethically. I hope you learned something new about wormhole time travel. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.